Hello everyone. The USA portal, that is our Travel Dogs website, is moving to a new portal and a new platform from 22nd of July 2023. And then in this video, we are going to cover everything that you need to know about this change and the exact steps that you have to take right now. So keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Priya and I came to United States for Masters. To know more about, check out my channel. So, the USA visa services in India is all set to move to a new system. Earlier, this move was planned for 15th of July 2023, but there were some delays, and now the new date is 22nd of July 2023. Now, before we understand the new system and the changes, let's take a quick look at what the old system looks like. So this is what your current website look like, and once you have filled your DS-160 form and you have submitted it, this is what you come and you see. So once this is done, now here is where you need to create your profile, you need to pay the visa fees and then book the appointment. A very important part of this right now is to update the profile section. Update profile is where all the important details of your profile, that is like your name, address, passport number, DS-160 confirmation number, are there. In fact, many of these fields are editable right now. That means even after you have created and submitted your profile, you can simply go back and many of these fields, but edit them. But all of this is set to change in the new system coming in the entire portal is going to look very different, and also the access and the control you have with respect to what you can change and what you cannot change is also going to be different. Now before that happens, there are certain steps you need to take to make sure that the fee you have paid and all the data you have entered migrate smoothly to a new system and you do not lose anything. So let's look at what are the exact steps. So the first step or the first thing you need to take care is your US visa fees. So if you have paid the US visa fees but you have not yet entered the receipt number that is in your profile, then you need to do this before 19th of July. I'm so sorry for the late, but I just got the information, so I'm just creating a video of it. So basically any fee that is paid needs to be linked to the profile, and that is when your payment becomes active and allows you to book a slot. So right here on the screen you will see a screenshot and a box where the receipt number needs to be entered. So if you have paid the visa fees, then look up the receipt number and enter it right here in your profile and make sure that the payment is linked. And the second thing you need to take care of is your DS-160 form. Now like we just saw earlier, that is an update profile section in your CGI portal. There is a field called DS-160 confirmation number. Now this number needs to match the actual form that is you're going to submit. So right now the number might be an old number you have used, or it might be a dummy number that you have used for your booking the appointment. If is this case, make sure that before the system moves to a new portal, the DS-160 is updated for your profile. So you might have to start a new form, or you might already have working on a new form but you have not yet linked the number to the profile. So double check this and make sure that whatever DS-160 form you are filling right now or have already submitted, the same number is updated right here in the profile under the DS-160 confirmation section. The third thing you need to take care is the email ID dependents. So if you are looking for booking a visa appointment with the dependents, then each dependent also has a profile and the profile needs an email ID. So it's recommended that you give individual email IDs right now. You might have given your email ID or maybe a common email ID, but make sure that the individual email IDs are updated for each of the person applying for a US visa appointment. So these are the three really important steps that you need to take care of to make sure that all the data is correct and it migrates smoothly to a new system. Now, another really important thing to understand here is what the future or the new system might look like. Now, the Caesar federal website or the US travel dogs website in India in fact looks very very different from other countries. So with the new system, it's probably or it's likely that they move to a uniform system which looks similar as in other countries. And this means that you might not have a lot of access or control which is there right now. So one example is such that your DS-160 number, so in a lot of countries outside India, once you submit DS-160 you cannot update it or you cannot change it. Maybe those same things are applied in India as well. So well, we are yet to get a full confirmation on this. The new system comes into place and we'll really test it out or try it out. Well, we get the sense of what exactly changes are that are actually happening. But at this point of time, just want you to know that pay a lot of attention to your DS-160 form, and maybe in the new system you might not be able to edit it. So before you submit it, check it thoroughly, verify it, and make sure all the details are in place. And for the people who have given the interview in 23 but want to give it another try, well, from the trends that we are seeing over the last couple of months, it's highly likely that these refusal slots are going to be open soon, and the slots this year have opened much faster compared to the previous intake. So I would say that somewhere around end of July or when you can expect the slots to open up. And interview dates would again range from end of the July to mid of August. So if you are waiting for the refusal slots, just keep a close watch. I wanted to cover so just a quick video to bring you up to a speed with what changes you can expect in the coming days and the steps that you should take right now. I have more content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Signing off for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.